What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for another episode. Today what we're doing, we're going to continue to remove stuff off of this GTO and get it to where it's trying to make it just a long block in the car. So we're going to be removing the front bumper, the headlights, the hood, anything nitrous related, any extra wiring that I put in over the years, and then we might start tackling like the factory ECM and wiring harness and all that as well, and air conditioning. So we're going to go ahead and start tearing this thing down and get it ready for its transplant and get this thing to where it's just a long block inside the car so we can keep it there for turbo system mock-up. All this stuff out of the way, we're going to go ahead and start removing the AC condenser. Just had a refrigerant drained or whatever. Go ahead and just start cracking all these lines loose, and we'll take the compressor, everything off, and then we'll probably have to take this hood off at some point. And yeah, so we're just going to keep plugging away. We're draining the coolant, and it's getting I just heard it quit dribbling, so we're getting ready to just go ahead and pull the radiator out, which more coolant will for sure come out with that, but start getting stuff that we don't need out of our way. We really just need the long block in here, so keep plugging away. Well guys, you know from my previous video that we mounted a mechanical fuel pump, and we mounted it right here where the air conditioner goes. So right now I'm pulling the air conditioner out of this motor because it will not be there anymore. So this car won't have AC, which would have been nice, but I think we're going to do just fine without it. So that's what we're working on now. Just tearing it down. Probably getting ready to, after this, I'll take out some of these power steering lines and these other AC lines, and then I'll start in on the coils and the nitrous system and some of the extras that I've put in over the years. So what's going on, guys? Another day back in the shop. Worked on the GTO pretty late the other night, and I didn't really record everything, but I figured I'd come in today and give you guys an update. As you know, we were trying to get this down to where it was basically just a long block sitting in the under the hood. We've removed the factory ECM, all the wiring harness, all that stuff is gone. The ABS, it's going to get kicked out of here, and we're going to be, the engine management for this is going to be a Holley Terminator, at least for now. We've also removed all our nitrous bottles, our nitrous line, our nitrous mounts. So we got this mess of wiring on the floor. We took out our wideband, we took out our two-step, we took out our nitrous controller, we took out our factory harness, our factory ECM, our nitrous switch panel, all of our nitrous solenoids line. On this ECM, we just disconnected these two. This one's still in the car, but we're not using it. And the reason we did that is we took it across, it's kind of rolled up and tucked back here. We're gonna find something probably a little more better, a little more permanent for that. But this wiring harness runs through our fuse panel, controls our BCM. And these are just kind of zip tied on there right now, just for demonstration purposes. But I'll show you why I'm trying to keep all of that, because without any ECM or anything in the car, lock, unlock, our lights are on. Go in the car here. We're not going to be using this dash. We'll be going to a Holly dash, but key still controls everything. Windows work. Now every air light known to man's about to go off. Blower motor still works, still functions. Horn still works. Guys, everything still works that we want to work. So, and I'll show you. Even our power locks work. So that's awesome. Got our four-way hazards going. Take you out back and show you guys that. Guys, so we're going to be leaving that in the car. We will just be finding something to do with that wiring harness, somewhere to tuck it. But let it be known, Lil, I don't know if it's going to work completely, but for right now it seems like it's totally feasible. We will be moving the battery to the trunk, but out of this fuse panel power negative, just tuck those wires, and so far we got power windows, power locks, all of our lights work, our defrosters work, our blower motor work, everything works. Everything that we want to keep is working. So just a little bit of information, but that is basically how the motor sits right now. And we're going to get busy on the hot side turbo kit now. So once the hot side's built, this is coming out. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for checking out the channel. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you don't miss any of this upcoming content. Leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you guys next time.